In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer XRP from Etoro to your Ledger wallet. Before we move any crypto, let's set things up so the transfer is smooth and secure. First, make sure your Etoro account is fully verified and that you've downloaded and set up the Etoro Money Wallet app on your mobile device. This wallet is where your XRP must go before you can send it out to your Ledger. Also, confirm you're holding actual XRP and not a leveraged or CFD position, since only real underlying crypto can be transferred. Now, open your Etoro trading account and head to your portfolio. Find XRP in your list of assets, tap it, and choose Transfer to Wallet. This moves your XRP from the trading platform into the Etoro Money Wallet. It may take a little time for Etoro to process the transfer, so don't worry if it's not instant. You'll see a status update when it's complete. While that's processing, get your Ledger ready, connect your Ledger Nano X, and open Ledger Live on your computer or phone. If you haven't already, add an XRP account in Ledger Live so it can display your balance. Click Receive, select XRP from your accounts, and follow the prompts to display and verify the address on your Ledger device. Carefully copy the XRP receiving address from Ledger Live. If Ledger Live shows a destination tag or memo for XRP, make sure to copy that too. If it doesn't show one, you can usually leave it blank. Always trust what Ledger Live displays on your screen and device. When your XRP appears in the Etoro Money Wallet, open the app and tap Send. Paste the XRP address you just copied from Ledger Live, and if a destination tag was provided by Ledger Live, enter it exactly. Double-check the address and any tag character by character. A small mistake can result in lost funds, so take your time here. Review the network fee and any Etoro withdrawal limits, then confirm the transfer. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP Ledger network. Transfers on XRP are typically fast, but timing can vary. You can track the status in Etoro Money and then watch for the incoming transaction in Ledger Live. Once it confirms, your XRP will appear under your XRP account in Ledger Live, safely secured by your Ledger device. And that's it. Your XRP is now safely in your Ledger wallet. For added peace of mind, consider starting with a small test amount before sending the full balance, and always store your Ledger recovery phrase offline in a secure place.